Hey everyone, happy Mother's Day, and welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day. Sadly, Joanne is not joining us today on this video. She is recovering. She had a little follow-up treatment that she had to take care of. Well, she's recovering from. We took care of the other day. But hopefully she'll be available and ready for the next video. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, especially you RV moms. So we know it's tough to be away from your kids and your family and stuff when you're full-time RVing, or maybe you decided to go away and RV for Mother's Day, which is fantastic. We'd love to hear stories about that. But this is going to be a very short video, and it's kind of a dedication to all the mothers out there, especially my mother. I'm very lucky and fortunate to have my mother still with us, and I reached out to her earlier and I wish her Mother's Day, and we chatted for a little bit. So if you have a mother and she's not with you, go ahead and give her that call. Reach out to her. And if you are close to your mom, go visit her, put your arms around her, and tell her how much she means to you. So I was watching a video the other day, and I gotta say it touched me deeply, and I wanted to share this video with you. It's about our mothers, and it's appropriate to have it here on Mother's Day. I did not produce this video. It's from a channel called CF Filmmaker. I'm going to put a link up here to their channel. Beautiful job on some of the films that they put together, but this really touched me, and I thought it was a great little story and a little Mother's Day story to share. So it's only 4.5 minutes long or something like that, so sit back, enjoy this video, and I hope it made you think about your mom or touched you kind of the way that it touched me. Again, we want to thank you for tuning in, and happy Mother's Day to all of you wonderful mothers out there. You are the heroes of this world. And on behalf of JoJo and I, who sadly isn't here, make it a great Mother's Day, and most importantly, make it a great bucket list day. Enjoy this little film.
I love you forever. I love you forever. I'll love you forever.
Wait, let's get a pic.
I got a better idea.